Good day, everyone. This is Sir JM. Our lesson for today is all about introduction in solving radical equation. Now, first, let us identify if the given equation is a radical equation or not. Now, how can we identify if the given expression is a radical equation? Okay, listen. Remember this. A radical equation is an equation in which a variable is under, let us emphasize, under a radical sign. Now, let us observe example number 1. Okay, again, radical equation is an equation in which a variable is under a radical sign. Now, if we say variable, okay, it represents a letter. Therefore, a letter must be under a radical sign to call it a radical equation. Now, in this given expression, okay, we have here 3 square root of x plus 5 is equal to 20. Okay, is equal to 20. Now, as we observe in this given expression, our variable x is under the radical sign. Now, therefore, this given is a radical equation. Okay. Why? Because our variable is under radical sign. Then, we have an equal sign and expression outside the equal sign. Remember, to make it an equation, we have an expression at the right side or left side and expression at the right side. And specifically, our variable is under the radical sign. Let's have number 2. Okay, number 2, let us analyze the given. We have x square root of 3 plus 5 is equal to 20. Now, as we observe in example number 2, our variable is outside the radical sign. Therefore, this given expression is not a radical equation. Okay, let us proceed in our number 3 example. Our number 3 example, we have square root of 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Now, in this given, we have here a variable under the radical sign. Therefore, even if we have here a variable outside the radical sign, as long as we have a variable under a radical sign, we consider that expression as a radical equation. Let's have number 4 example. We have here x plus cube root of 3 is equal to 2 cube root of 3. Now, as we observe this given expression, okay, our variable here, x, is outside. And we cannot see any variable inside the radical sign. Therefore, this given expression is not a radical equation. Now, guys, it's your turn. Try this, identify if it is radical equation or not, then comment down your answer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you and God bless.